Dave's Hot Chicken. Woo! This is $13. Comes with 4-5 pickles, some sauce, mild and medium spice level fries. It's alright, it's alright. Try it with the sauce. Look at this. Pretty big. Herbaceous. I think it's like paprika, maybe some garlic powder. I like it. I like it. Try it with the sauce. I like how there's carbs. Oh, don't forget. Balances out the oiliness. The fries honestly taste like McDonald's fries. I'll give it a 6.8 for the fries. For the chicken, definitely oilier than Raising Cane's. Not as salty as I'd like. Let's give it a 7.3 for the chicken.